अद्याभिनोचति हरः किल कालकूटम् कूर्मोऽभिभर्ति धरणिं खलु पृष्ठभागे अम्भो निधिर्वहति दुर्वहमाडवाग्निम् अङ्गीकृतं सुहृदिनः परिपालयन्ति अङ्गीकृतं सुहृदिनः परिपालयन्ति. This Subhashitam highlights the unique characteristic of great people with good examples. During the churning of ocean by Devas and Asuras, Lord Mahadeva drank the poison that emerged during the churning of ocean. Lord Mahavishnu took the form of Varaha and supported the Mandara mountain at its buttock. The ocean impregnated the Vadavagni that emerged during the churning of ocean. Subhashitam points out that though these incidents happened at the time of churning of ocean, above worshipable gods still carry these deadly things with them. They have never disowned above things once accepted by them. Subhashitam concludes that noble people too exhibit similar characteristics shown by the above gods. They never in their life disown a commitment made by them. Instead, they keep it up under any circumstances. Sant Tukaram was an exalted soul, always absorbed in the singing of bhajans. Sant Tukaram considered the whole world as one family. He viewed every living being equal and treated others' suffering as his own. He brought up one cow in his cowshed. He used to allow its calf to feed on the mother cow's milk as much as it required, and whatever balance left, he happily shared with his family. Thus, he lived a life of utter simplicity. One night, as he was absorbed in bhajans, a thief came there and took away the cow from the cowshed. As the thief covered a few kilometers with the stolen cow, he had an afterthought due to providence. The thief started feeling guilty of stealing the cow of such a noble man, Sant Tukaram. His mind strongly urged him to return the cow to escape from the impending God's wrath on him. So he returned with the cow, secured the cow in the cowshed. Then he proceeded towards Sant Tukaram, prostrated before him and narrated the whole incident. He apologized for the misdeed committed by him. But Sant Tukaram was a very saintly person. He told the thief, "Oh man, you were in need of the cow and therefore you took it away. What is the wrong in it? You please carry on, please take the cow with you." On hearing this, the sorrow of the thief got manifold. He again prostrated before Sant Tukaram and somehow managed to escape from him. But the matter did not end there. The conscience of Sant Tukaram did not allow him to take back the cow desired to be owned by the thief. He was fully committed to his philosophy to honor others' feelings. He therefore ceased to consider the cow as of his own. He stopped taking the milk from the cow for his personal use. Instead, next day onwards, he started freely distributing the whatever available milk to the poor children in the locality. Such a divine personality, Sant Tukaram, was fully committed to his philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam. Many events in his life only underscored his full commitment to the above cause. He never dithered from the above accepted principle despite facing enormous difficulties in his life. Let us pay our humble tribute to this holy man, Sant Tukaram, with utter humility.